Hello, my people. Now, good afternoon. Wherever you are, good afternoon. We are in afternoon here. So, the matter when I want to put today now about German First Lady, and Lady T. One thing me I believe say, if our people they fight or they get misunderstanding to each other, now what the person do pass life and then they go to the laugh, which is very bad. I listen to German First Lady. German First Lady na best way be say I like well and I dey watch her video. I see subscribe. Anytime when she put video, I dey always receive her video. I never see her when she dey fight like this before. So that is why I say I not see to blame her. But one place where I for blame her, if na the matter where it concern that pikin, that she won't talk, she go just talk. She no need to explain how im mama take born that pikin. Everybody gets your own past life. You understand? Some people come this Europe, fine. They get opportunity to take on. They not do that road work. No me say you never sleep with another man before you marry. If now your husband meet you for house, this virgin you, now then you go dey proud. They say I be this, I be that. As I say you not be virgin before your husband meet you. Before you come Europe, you don't dey chop up bolo and egusi. You understand? So as you come Europe, you see German wey love you, you marry her, you born, fine. Problem not, they not judge another person. How she take get that pikin. The only way you for talk, say the way that man they beat that boy, you know do am well. But for me, I still dey doubt because Tina and Ochuko, a person when I know well. Na me do as she be follow them for their marriage. Although that boy was still very young then. You understand? That boy was my love then in Italy. I so much love that little boy. And the boy, if we come church, if the boy see me, hi, he not go leave me. But now they thought so if na lie, confirm from Tina, I go tell you. You understand? So if Ochuko can't change at this time, you not doing well. You not doing well at all. And I don't still blame the mother. Nobody know the battle where Tina and your husband the battle for house. Because all those some people where they listen to that conversation, who then they give. So they thought say, may not my Tina, say na shower, na this, na that. My sister, may we will be Nigeria, especially Benin people. We will try stop to they condemn each other. Because woman like you they call on shower, what do you be? What do you be? Which woman dey for this room? We go tell me say na your husband is virgin. Man, we all of us marry for this country. Who go talk? We go come and talk say that man is virgin now. If you come and say you come Europe, you were a virgin. Say na the man where you marry today na is virgin you. I go here. As you call German First Lady, fine. The lady dey vex for what they do. In a cocolistic mama be what they call them. That they fight for just year fight. We're not supposed. We go bring quarrel. If you get misunderstanding with somebody, if you get that person number, call them. I didn't look for Tina number since I not see her because when I come for Italy, I lose many of my contacts. I be see they call them since why they here. Well, I don't know what happened to her YouTube, what they call them, her Facebook message, and that they call them before. But I did try and they go. So maybe don't change her. I don't know. What are they talk? So I know they talk for Tina favor. I know they talk for German First Lady favor. But only one thing I dey talk, if we dey fight ourselves, more we try dey fight wetin happen now. Not be wetin don pass. Now the year tell it also. Not be wetin don pass. Because those things, this is where, especially Africa, especially Nigeria people, Benin, it dey affect too much. No good. You understand? The way Tina take carry that belle, the way First Lady take talk and so, say now so Tina carry that belle, whether not true whether na lie. Me, I don't know. All of us wey dey watch that video, we don't know. You understand? Anyhow e take carry that belle, as I say that pikin don come out. Pikin no be mistake. I no want make women dey use that word say na mistake. My dear, no pikin be mistake. No pikin be mistake. Although if you say that wetin na come Europe, e never wise. Fine, but no be say na mistake. You understand? Anyhow she take carry that belle, anyhow she take born that pikin, that one not concern us. It not concern social media. Even though say you know person's story, say person don't tell you in story before. If no be say na just little thing can't happen, you can't narrate the woman story, you can't disgrace am for social media. It's no good. It's no good, my brothers and sisters. You understand? As Ochukwu come dey big that pikin. Because now Ochukwu me I know I don't know as Friday. Now Ochukwu, now me know am. But that criminal there, now all of us there. Now Casa Pesanego, now then day. You understand? So now Ochukwu me know that boy put. I don't see that boy as wicked. No matter the situation where everybody fair pass for life, I don't see him wicked because when that boy come before Tina born her first child for Ochukwu, everybody see the way Ochukwu take care of that boy. You understand? Me personally, that boy, if we just come church like this, he go say, Sister Precious, he go follow you go house. He go follow me. I see they go their house then. Even that boy room was furnished. You understand? The boy gets his own room, television, everything did that boy room. But if Ochukwu can't change, because you know if you know man finish. Now the little way we they see. You understand? Now we they judge. But if he can't change, can't they beat that boy? It's not good. Whether na Oyibo, whether na black or pikin na pikin. Mad way they accept that woman with that her first pikin. Use that man accept her reach the end. Now they understand me. So that word where German first lady they talk. The word don't be saying no go. I know it's not the way they prepare you for body, my sister. I beg. May you not verse. May you not verse. At least the way the girl can they narrate how she take get that belly for road, how she take do this one, how she take do that one. All those things not mean anything. Because if you disgrace Tina today, you don't spoil in name. You not go gain anything. Social media not go pay you because you talk how Tina take carry that belly. No. The only thing you go fight for. As Ochukwu, they beat that boy. You say the boy name now Friday. Me no know that boy as Friday now Ochukwu. Now me know I put. Even there is one girl will still call you. He still tell you the same name where I see to say now Ochukwu. Nobody see for criminal there. Nobody see say Ochukwu they beat that boy. Me I never see him. Me I never see hear him. But you know say people if somebody won't change within trickle of an eye don't change. The only thing we me want talk, we will not spoil ourselves. If you know story about me, my dear, I know you send you message. May you contact her for social media. Our people use and make parable. Where it tell me now where we rioje, but ya gewo hu. If I ke tie bokba. You don't understand? You know you say you nothing a story. How it about that pikin. You just come social media, come narrate everything. How you could say first be Ogbonisa. Who be virgin when enter this country? Who be virgin? German first lady, don't quote me wrong. I know they quarrel with you. I know they quarrel with Tina. I know they quarrel with anybody. The one thing that they talk say, maybe would they try? Maybe would they try? See they cover for each other. No matter if somebody offends you, fine. You leave that person saying, no matter how this girl costs her rich, she not say anything. You know, go on they fight with herself for social media. Because we they come up, we they look up auto now when I don't grow. You understand? Now the character won't improve. Now the younger one will see they come up, they look. Now we don't first start the social media before now they fight. The one where they come now, which encouragement now they give them? May they continue or may they stop? Eh? I just like your video, I dey watch your video well, but I don't expect say you can't come out for social media, can't they talk all these kind of things. I no expect. If thing I offend you, wanna try sort yourself out in another way round, not to come disgrace each other for social media. Everybody when they talk for social media, everybody gets your own bad mistake for back. You understand? Everybody gets your own way for back. How you take born that pikin? How you not take born am? No be reason where Ochuko go dey beat am. So I don't see any reason where you can't explain how you take carry the belle, how do you both sleep with am, how you take do ordinary body for road. All those things, my sister, it don't mean anything. For me, my own reason, my own view, I don't get your number. You understand? I for call you as I dey watch that video. You understand? No matter what, don't want even the beyaton, don't want yaton. You understand me? So when I try to settle on herself, Kokolistic mama insult you, you insult her back. Fine. Even Tina wey can't talk put for the matter. She not supposed to talk that way. She supposed make peace with both of una. You understand? They send you the video, say the boy they beat her. If Ochuko they beat that boy, he not doing well because if na he come born na uko, Tina nyash come out say see where for born the pikin, say I take carry the belle, blah blah blah. Not be the man where he follow, not be him get the pikin. Now I don't go who vinye momo. Now woman we carry belle, now they swear put for pikin we carry for stomach. One thing me I talk for this man I say, I beg first lady, German first lady, may you try. Forgive and forget. No matter what the person do you just look am because all those words where you call the talk, it's a words of condemn. You understand? You and Kokolistic mama dey quarrel. Mona face on herself. If Tina come talk put, maybe you know the way they talk, it be not mean now. We go reason and go another way. But it's not go to that extent where you can't talk, say I take get the belle, lily, can't disgrace each other. For social media, this is what they do. When I try, when I stop her. I'm not be small pikin again. When I try, when I stop her. So, guess I don't know what. I'm just keeping it on. If this is your first time on watching my video, please subscribe and click the notification button below. Anytime I uploaded the video, you will be the first to receive my video. So, bye guys. Have a nice day. Please share my video. Help me to share it. And leave your comments below. Bye.